Bonjour, c'est Virginie and you are watching French Truly TV, your destination to truly become a little bit French. Before I begin to teach you how to speak French market and before I take you around my two favorite French markets in beautiful Lyon, I want to invite you to visit my website FrenchTruly.com, where you can sign up for my 3-step mini course to help you become a little bit French. It's completely free. You just need to click on the Get Started tab. That's where it is. I bet you don't know about these awesome French markets yet. I say yet because I'm about to show you on videos I shot last time I went there, and because you can come and experience them during our full French immersion programs here in France, adding the link below. These two markets I'm about to share with you happen in beautiful Lyon on both sides of the gorgeous river called La Saône every Sunday morning, chaque dimanche matin. It's one of my favorite things to do on a Sunday morning, and you'll understand why when you see the videos. And just to let you know in advance, I will describe what we see in French as I'm walking through the markets. It will be like a game. Can you spot what I'm talking about in French? Super quickly, before we start, the market, le marché, on the east side of the river Saône is called Marché Saint-Antoine. And there you can find des fruits, des légumes, du fromage, de la viande, des volailles, des poulets rôtis, de la charcuterie, du poisson, du pain, des pâtisseries, du vin et des fleurs. Fourvière at the top, la cathédrale Saint-Jean, and then du pain. Ici, nous avons de la charcuterie, des pâtés, des saucissons, plein de saucissons. De l'autre côté, des fruits. Et puis des fleurs à gauche et des fruits à droite. Et des fleurs. Plein de jolies fleurs, des bouquets de fleurs. Et des poulets rôtis. Miam miam. And then be careful, it's gonna go fast, get ready. Des tomates, des courgettes, des aubergines, des poivrons, des concombres, des carottes, des endives, des brocolis, des artichauts, des pastèques, des melons, des bananes, du fromage et beaucoup de bouteilles de vin, des olives. Et puis finalement, ici, nous avons des plantes de toutes les couleurs. And then you keep walking for another 10-15 minutes until you arrive at the end of the market. Once you've reached the end of the Marché Saint-Antoine, you cross La Passerelle, which goes above the river La Saône. Then you arrive on the other side and you begin le Marché de la Création. Le marché on the west side of the river Saône is called Marché de la Création, and there you can find des tableaux, des dessins, des sculptures, des gravures, des accessoires en cuir ou maroquinerie, des bijoux, des vêtements, de la poterie, plein de choses magnifiques et locales. Yes, the 150 artists and artisans you will meet au Marché de la Création are all local, talented and super friendly. I must say, this is a dangerous Sunday morning destination for me because I want to buy everything. That being said, le Marché de la Création is a great way to have access to beautiful and affordable art. To give you an example, last time I went, I bought an original and gorgeous painting for 130 euros. Pas mal, non? Le Marché de la Création is almost 40 years old as it was launched in 1979. Let's have a look. Et c'est parti, on y va. These are just little snippets, by the way, but both markets on each side of La Saône go on for a really long time. Des bijoux, des tableaux, des affiches, des dessins, des gravures, encadrées ou non encadrées. Encore des peintures, des vêtements, des bandeaux, des bonnets, des bijoux, des colliers, des boucles d'oreilles, des sacs, des bracelets, des foulards, des miroirs, des écharpes, des accessoires en cuir ou maroquinerie, des serre-têtes, des articles pour les enfants. I love these two markets. They're so charming and so romantic. And when they're over around 1 p.m., you can go have lunch in one of the many delicious bouchons lyonnais, the typical Lyon restaurants. And by the way, in case you didn't know, Lyon est la capitale de la gastronomie. And then, to help you digest, you can stroll around the lovely little streets of the Vieux Lyon and climb up the hill to visit the impressive Basilique Notre-Dame de Fourvière. I actually just described the last day we spent together during the full French immersion programs I organize. You'll see the markets, you'll eat the food, you'll stroll around the delightful little Renaissance streets, you'll go up and visit the stunning Basilica with me. If you're interested, I'm adding the immersion link below so you can see all the info, dates, etc. If you like this video and you want more, subscribe. If you want to read this blog post, go to my website, FrenchTruly.com/blog, where if you feel like saying merci for all the videos I've been producing over the years, about 120 so far, you can donate. And last but not least, when you're on my website, go to the Get Started tab and subscribe for free to my 3-step mini course to help you become a little bit French. Merci beaucoup, au revoir et gros bisous!